why 99% of operations face bottlenecks and don't properly integrate CNC machining. On-demand manufacturing is actually changing the game. It allows customers to be more responsive, reduce physical inventories, and adapt faster to ever-changing customer requirements. We did see multiple operations being bottlenecked due to not proper integration of advanced manufacturing methods, and this is why our CNC offering is key to debottlenecking operations. Some hidden efficiencies of CNC machinings are reduced setup times, reduced human errors, and reduced material consumption. With advanced CNC machining services, we can deliver and produce highly complex parts at very high consistency and repeatability. This improves quality of parts and also reduces lead times and cost. Our strategy is simple. We always wanted to integrate CNC machining services as a key offering, complementing our other offerings like additive manufacturing or sheet metal fabrication. With this, we want to offer one, comprehensive access to the world's manufacturing technologies from one source.